Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking a viewpoint. 2-point or 3/4 gives strong depth. Place a horizon and 2 vanishing points and keep them well spaced. This controls for shortening. Next, lightly draw a cube using the vanishing point so edges recede accurately, and decide cube size. For precision, use a small ruler or grid. Once done, check alignment by tracing opposite edges back to vanishing points. This ensures the dice faces will sit squarely and look three-dimensional. You now define the dies faces within the cube frame, drawing face edges with perspective rules so squares shrink toward vanishing points. Measure proportions visually or with light construction lines. Consistency keeps the die believable. Place the pip patterns, 1, 2, 3 on visible faces, and remember opposite faces sum to 7. This guides placement. For each pip, draw small circles adjusted into ellipses to match face angles. Once done, darken final pip shapes and erase construction lines that break the illusion. You finish by deciding a light source. Shade the faces accordingly so the farthest face is darkest and the nearest has a subtle highlight. Add a cast shadow beneath the die aligned with the light direction to anchor it. Blend gently for smooth gradients and sharpen pip outlines so they pop. If proportions look off, measure edge receding angles relative to vanishing points and correct them. A quick troubleshooting tip: if shadow placement or pips feel wrong, flip your paper or view from arm's length to spot errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.